Oh, come on. हेलो, ऑडियो रूट तो शो कर तो रहा है. चेंज हो रहा है. लाइव एयर स्ट्रीमिंग में थोड़ा दिक्कत है, लैग हो रहा है. स्क्रीन मिररिंग भी चला जा रहा है. Okay. Okay, yes sir, you can hear, it's audible. Okay, चलो. इतनी देर के बाद साउंड तो आ रहा है. राघव सर. ओके, चलो. हाँ, ये क्या है, चेंज हो गया. ये हाफ पार्ट में. स्क्रीन मिररिंग चला जा रहा. ओके, पूरा स्क्रीन को करना होगा तब आएगा. ठीक है. हाँ, डिले है ना कुछ सेकंड. देयर इज अ लैग अ बिट. ओके, so everyone is able to hear. मगर ये
20 सेकंड्स का डिले है.
10 या
20 सेकंड्स का.
मगर स्क्रीन हटाते ही ये हट जा रहा है. यहाँ पे ये नहीं देख सकते.
रख दीजिए इसको. इसको ऐसे रख दीजिए.
तो यूट्यूब स्टूडियो को देखना होगा ना. मतलब ये ऊपर नीचे नहीं हो रहा है आपका जो टॉप चैट है.
नीचे.
हाँ, okay. Hi Pratik. Sorry for the delay. I think so now you all are able to hear properly. So we'll start with the doubts, whatever you all have the doubts regarding preparation, regarding anything else. So whatever your doubts are, please do put up in the chat section. I'll be waiting. Okay, let's see. Anyone, any kinds of doubts regarding your preparation, regarding anything else, you can ask. Okay, how will you prepare this, that, whatever it is, you can ask. Properties of determinants. Okay, so you want to know it for the CBSE part or problems? Okay, a coin is biased. Okay, okay, probability distribution. Okay, okay. So Shivu sir, you have a problem in probability and properties of determinants. Okay. Now coming to first question, one by one, we'll tackle the questions. Okay. So the first question, what Geeta ma'am asked, if she is there, still there. Okay. We can still score 103. Okay. Total marks without calculus also. So if you do the chapter relation functions, inverse, matrices and determinant, vectors 3D, and LPP probability. So these all will give you around 103 marks. Now you don't need integration or the whole calculus part, not just integration. Okay, the whole calculus you can skip and you can do it. But if you're going for engineering background, then it is definite and must, because if you don't know calculus, you won't survive in the engineering background. So for that case, calculus is must. And let's say you're planning to go for something else, then it is entirely up to you. You can just do these chapters and you can score the best. Now the passing package, what we will deliver, will take care of all that. Answer I'll tell you, don't worry Shivu. Okay. A full video we are bringing on probability, don't worry. How to do the which topics are important, what kind of questions are coming from probability, 3 marker, 5 markers. They have introduced this time 2 questions from probability. So very important. Okay, so we'll come back to that. Any other problem regarding how to study, what to study? Anybody? Coming to the questions and all on the later part regarding how to study. Very less time is left. So passing package, very easy chapters you can easily pick up. You can take relation function, very easy questions are coming. ITF, very easy. I'll put up the recordings and the videos of the whole chapter. First video will be, 1 second. One concept video will come, one short concept video. Okay. A bit lag is there in the writing and saying, so sorry for that. One short concept video will be there and then 1 marker. If we are getting questions like 2 marker or a 3 marker, all we will solve. How to solve it, how to represent it, everything will be given in the video. So don't worry. For each chapter, let's say we are doing the chapter relation and function. So one short series will come up. By tonight we'll start putting up for relation function, ITF, MAT, DET, LPP and probability and vectors. So this will make sure that you score around 70 plus. By today or by tomorrow afternoon it will be done. The videos will be there. Okay. Now anything other doubt regarding how to study, which topics you can skip? Anybody else? Nobody else? Okay. So regarding the chapters, then coming to the passing package, which I told you I'll inform. Okay. The simplest and the easiest chapter what you can pick up and you can solve it in the very least time. Let's say if somebody hasn't started till now anything. Okay. He hasn't started anything also till now and he wants to do good. First, he wants to pass in the exam. So which chapter he should pick? See, what you can do, you can pick the chapter 10 vectors, a very simple question and a repetition of questions is there from the vectors. All whatever, if you solve the PYQ properly, whatever is given from there only, similar questions comes each year. Okay. You can do the ITF part, very simple. You can score 9 marks from there. You can do the vectors, you can score 12 marks from there. Okay. Now coming to probability again they have increased the marks, but the chapter is very easy. If you understand how to solve it, like the Bayes theorem, binomial, it will be done. Okay, so one question will be there like that. So it will be very simple. Next, LPP you already know. They're not giving you unbounded regions. So bounded one, simple. Mostly you won't get a word problem. The 99% chances for a normal one. In case 1% you get a word problem, I'll show that also how to solve the word problem part. Then you can target the vectors and you'll be able to score the passing marks very easily. Okay. Even the 1 markers, the 2 markers and the 3 markers from this chapter is like very simple, straightforward and almost 90-95% from the previous year PYQ. Okay. So anybody else has any other doubts? Nobody has any other doubts regarding preparation? That's good. So, okay, the passing percentage, we already told you, we'll have one short video, 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, and then we'll have the 5 marker series and we'll take care of each and everything so that you can score 100 out of 100 in your exam. In case you want to just get the passing percentage, so we'll deliver that one beforehand. So today target will be to upload all the videos regarding the passing percentage. And tomorrow and by 21st, everything regarding 100 out of 100 how to score, will be putting it up. Now, let's see, anybody else, any doubts? Very less people with the doubts. Now what about any other chapter related doubts? Only one doubt we got from probability. Let's see, anything else? Are you all able to hear properly, or is there any difficulty in that? Are you there, Shivu? Okay. Now, Pratik, you want to know how to approach the problems of determinants property. See, now determinants properties based questions are very simple, which are coming in the exam. Okay, so I'll upload the video by night today. Okay, first go through all the properties very properly. Once you have done with the properties, now see, one or two questions which are like very big. Okay, otherwise apart from that, rest all are very simple. You have to see which property you are applying. All the properties should be known to you. While taking examples of the questions, okay, I'll show you which and how. After each line you can understand, okay, after this line I can use this property. So you need to practice more on that. Okay, anything else, Pratik? I'll take a video session for that. Point is noted. Okay, I'll take one video session for properties of determinant. Done. Anything else? Properties of determinant. Okay, anything else? Any doubts? I think so. Shivu is not there. Okay. So apart from that, Pratik, any other doubt you have? Rest all is done. If you are able to hear, Pratik, any other doubt, anybody else regarding how to study, what not, having difficulty with distractions and everything? Nobody has any doubts? Okay. No, sir. Okay. Then what I'll do for today, 3D, Vimal. Okay. 3D important questions you want, Vimal? Correct. 3D important topics. Okay. One more thing. Before uploading, along with the package, passing package, okay, what I'll do, per chapter, we have 1 marker question, 2 marker, 3 marker. So which topic, what kind of questions are coming up, I'll upload that. Like let's say 3D. So what kind of questions, like questions based on ratio, what is the direction cosine, direction ratio, is it coming for 1 marker? Next topic, planes, derivation based, what kind of derivations are coming? So I'll put up a 3-minute to 4-minute video. In that I'll make clear that which topics are coming and repeating for which year. Okay. For Vimal, 3D important topics, I'll put up a video. Whatever, for all the chapters I'll be putting it up. 3 minutes to 5 minutes max it will be. So what kind of questions are coming? What are the topics which PU is targeting? What kind of questions? Maybe derivation based, non-derivation based, something else, 1 marker, 2 marker, 3 marker or 5 marker. And is it like simple, easy, difficult? I'll put it up. Anything else? Vimal, apart from that, any other chapter you have requirement? Do inform all your friends in case they all have any other doubts, they can ask. Okay, though video is a bit lagging, but okay. We'll try to schedule one more live session by tomorrow. So whatever all the chapters, so tomorrow by 9 p.m. sharp, all the chapters, important parts, what are the questions and concepts coming, I'll put up a video. All chapters, okay, from starting to end. How to manage time in exam, there is a lot to write. Okay, now in this case, first you have to target those questions which you know 100% for sure. What you do, sometimes what happens, no, revision is less. We practice one time and we be happy. Okay, once you practice, you'll like, sir, done, I'll be able to do an exam. So when there is less of practice, so what happens when in exam when you are doing and we are seeing some values which is like, this I didn't get in the while solving. Now you're stuck and there you start wasting the time. So you have to make sure that first you attempt those questions which you are 100% sure, if I touch, I'll get it. Okay, you should not touch those questions which you are 70-30, 80-20, you're like 80% sure that I will be able to do, don't touch. First 1.5 hour, target only those questions which you know exactly. Once you are done with that, you will be able to understand, okay, I've already solved 70 marks, now only 30 is left, 1 hour is left, I can do it. Then you will be able to manage. And one more thing I'll say, take a paper of maths, solve it first and see where you're losing time. How much time you're taking, time yourself. Okay, like make a target, first 1 marker, whatever I know. Let's say out of 10 questions, I know 5. I'll do all that. 2 markers out of 18 what we have, I'll do 6 or 7 or whatever I know, I'll do it fast. By 1 hour, 30 minutes, I should be done with the questions which I know first. Okay, then only you will have an idea that how much you will be able to attempt and how much you will be able to do. A lot of times we waste time like this. Let's say a 2 marker question, we are just stuck on one part. But since our ego says, no, we have done this chapter, we should get it. So we stop and waste time there. We should not do like that, okay? So that way, once write a one paper and you'll be able to understand which section you're losing more time or you're wasting more time and try to mark that section and use it, plan according to that, okay? So I'll suggest one paper, at least you take the sample paper, start solving it, see which part, which chapter you're getting stuck, okay? So it will give you a very good idea that these are the topics where I'm getting stuck, work hard on that and then it will be done. Anything else, Pratik? Okay, so tomorrow 9 sharp will be scheduling a class where for each topic we'll have a discussion. What are the important topics, from where the questions are getting asked, and 2022, will it be simple, easy, difficult? So do inform all of your friends, okay, who wants to join, and within that 1.5 hour to max 2 hour session, you'll be able to understand which topic will be simple, easy, difficult, and you can target that in exam, okay? So you'll be fast in that and you'll be able to solve the whole paper in like 2.5 hours only, okay? So we'll end the stream here, or anybody has any doubt to ask? Shivu is not there, but still Shivu, what I'll do, I'll put up the probability video where I'll put up that question also, so that whenever you are seeing, you'll be able to solve it. Anybody else? So how is rest, everything going, students? So should we study all the topics or should we study only the important topics once? See, first is don't go with all. Complete the important first. Once you have hold on the important, then you study for the other. Okay, like you have 20th, like tomorrow, day after, okay, and 22nd, max 3 days. So first today, 1.5 day you keep for all importance, make it strong. All the important should be covered very properly. Once that is done, you'll have a confidence that my all important things are done. Now I can go for other topics also. Now you start expanding. Don't expand directly, okay? Otherwise, you'll see you'll started doing all the things and you're not able to keep that in brain. So that is also a difficulty, okay? The more we study, the more we start forgetting, okay? So we should first do all the important, then go for all topics. Anybody else has any doubts regarding anything else also? It's okay. Okay, so shall we end the session for today? Okay, we'll keep it till here for today. If anybody has any other doubts, do put it up. Otherwise, we'll end it for today. And see you all tomorrow. Do inform all your friends. Tomorrow we'll be there. Sorry for the delay for today. Tomorrow we'll be there sharp 9, okay? 9 p.m. sharp will be there on the YouTube platform only. Do inform all your friends. We'll try to cover up and give you the exact whole book idea within that 2-hour span, okay? What topics, what to do, what not to do in very detail, okay? Done. So till then, work hard, be safe, okay? Thank you all.